Dear children, in previous video we have read about the factor tree. Now we are going to do some questions from your NCERT book. Here are 3 questions in your book. Tiling problem. There is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden, there is a path. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet, and 5 feet. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet tiles, and the third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any of the tiles. Then, what is the shortest length of the path? In this question, the question asked about the shortest length. Shortest length means smallest length. Smallest means you have to calculate the LCM, least common factor, least common multiple of the number 2, 3 and 5. Now you have to calculate the answer of first question. The first question answer is the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. You all know about the LCM ना? आप सभी लोग एलसीएम के बारे में जानते हैं, एलसीएम निकालना. तो एलसीएम कैलकुलेट करिए यहाँ पे. 2, 3 and 5. 2 1 जा 2, 3 and 5. 3 1 जा 3, 3 1s are 3 and 5. And after that 1 1 and 5 1 ja 5. You have to LCM of LCM equals to 2 into 3 into 5 equals to 2 3 ja 6 and 6 5 ja 30. 30 is the answer. Now look, what 30? 30 feet. It is the 30 feet is the shortest length of the path. Now come to second question. It is your first question. And come to the second question. Manoj has made a new house and he want to lay tiles on floor. The size of room is 9 into 12 feet. In the market, there are 3 kind of square tiles. 1 into 1 foot, 2 into 2 feet, 3 into 3 feet. Which size of tiles should he buy for his room so that he can lace it without cutting? इस क्वेश्चन में आपके पास 2 नंबर हैं. फर्स्ट इज 9 and second is 12. You have to do the factor of 9 and 12 both. So if you do the factor of 9, it will cut with 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. And if you do 12, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja and 3 1 ja. It means the 9 and 12. It has only two factor, 1 and 3. 9 has as factor and 12 has 1, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And possible tiles in the market is 1 into 1, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. Then Manoj can took the tiles of only this or this. इसका मतलब हुआ कि मनोज केवल या तो ये टाइल्स लेगा या ये टाइल्स लेगा, उसको ये टाइल्स नहीं लेनी होगी, नहीं तो टाइल्स को काटना पड़ेगा. Then your answer will, you have to write in this way. Answer will, Manoj would buy 1 into 1 foot or 3 into 3 feet tiles. Okay, let us come to third question. Third question is here. This is your third question. This is road and this is Rani's house, this is Geeta's house and this is Nilima's house. Rani, Geeta and Nilima lived near each other. The distance from their house to road is 90 feet. They decide to tile the path to the road. They all bought tiles to different design and length. Rani bought the shortest tiles, Geeta bought the middle height and the Nilima bought the longest one. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles, what is the size of the tiles each has bought? Suggest 3 different solutions. Explain how you get this answer. इसका मतलब हुआ आपको 90 फीट की रोड है, इस 90 फीट पे आपको 3 ये नीलिमा, गीता और रानी, नसीमा है. नसीमा, गीता एंड रानी वांटेड टू टाइल द पथ. तो इनको 3 डिफरेंट साइज की टाइल्स आपको सजेस्ट करना है कि बिना कट किए ये लगा सकें. तो इस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमको क्या करना होगा, 90 का फैक्टर निकालने होंगे. 90 के जितने भी फैक्टर आप निकालेंगे, जितने भी निकल सकते हैं, वो सारे उन सारे नंबरों की जो टाइल्स होगी वो इस पे आ सकती है. इसका मतलब हुआ कि हम लोग अगर देखें 90 कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाई 1 इंटू 90, 2 इंटू 45, 3 इंटू 30 एंड 4 से नहीं जाएगा ये, 5 इंटू 18. इन दिस वे रानी, नसीमा एंड गीता can use these tiles for their path. It means they can use 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3 or 5 into 5 size of tiles. It is the answer of third question. Now here is an instruction for the children. It will be useful to have a discussion about a food and how we use it often to talk about our own height. Children can use their centimeter scale to get idea about how long is a foot. इसका मतलब हुआ फुट क्या होता है उसको सेंटीमीटर में आपको देखना है। तो आप जो लंबी वाली स्केल होती है वो 1 फुट की होती है। 1 फुट का मतलब होता है वो इंचेज में आता है। इंचेज मतलब 12 इंच इक्वल्स टू 1 फुट। और 12 इंच की स्केल में आप देखे होंगे कि 30 सेंटीमीटर की ये स्केल होती है। 30 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स टू 1 फुट। देन आप ये अनुमान लगा सकते हैं कि 1 फुट में कितना सेंटीमीटर, माने आपकी लंबाई अगर मान लीजिए कि 3 फीट या 4 फीट की है तो आप कितने सेंटीमीटर के होंगे। तो 4 × 30 कर देंगे तो ये 120 सेंटीमीटर की आ जाएगी। इस तरीके से ये चैप्टर भी ख़त्म हुआ और ये लेसन भी ख़त्म हुआ। अगर आपको कोई चीज़ न समझ में आए तो कमेंट में आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू।